If you're seeing a 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome, don't worry, because in many cases the problem is either temporary or caused by something on your side that we can fix in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the best step-by-step methods to troubleshoot the error, clear out possible browser issues, flush your DNS, and check whether the website itself is down. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Chrome fixes and software tutorials. First, let's understand what a 502 bad gateway error actually means. It usually happens when one server on the internet gets an invalid response from another server. So sometimes the issue is on the website side, but other times it can be caused by your browser cache, cookies, extensions, or even your network connection. That's why we'll start with the fastest local fixes first. Step 1 is to refresh the page and try again after a short wait. A 502 error can happen when a server is temporarily overloaded or restarting. So click the Reload button or press Ctrl and R on Windows or Command and R on Mac. If the site still shows the same error, wait a minute or two and try again. Sometimes that alone is enough. Next, open the website in an Incognito window. This helps you test whether the problem is being caused by an extension or stored browser data. To do that, click the three dots in the top right corner of Chrome, then select New Incognito Window. Once the private window opens, type the same website address and see if it loads properly. If it works in Incognito but not in a normal window, that usually means one of your extensions, cookies, or cache files is causing the issue. If Incognito did not help, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache and cookies. This is one of the most effective fixes for browser-related loading errors. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on Windows, or Command-Shift and Delete on Mac. In the pop-up window, set the time range to All Time. Then check Cookies and Other Site Data in Cached Images and Files. Make sure those are selected, then click Delete Data. After that, close Chrome completely and reopen it. Then try the website again. If the error is still there, the next thing to try is clearing your DNS cache. Your computer may be holding on to an outdated route to the website, and that can trigger loading problems. On Windows, open the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. Then type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a confirmation that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, reopen Chrome and test the site again. Now let's check whether an extension is causing the 502 error. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, coupon tools, or script blockers, can interfere with how a site loads. Open Chrome, click the three dots, go to Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. Disable all extensions temporarily, then reload the website. If the site starts working, turn the extensions back on one by one until you find the one causing the issue. Once you identify it, you can remove it or keep it disabled for that website. Another useful step is to try the site in a different browser or on a different device. If the website works fine in Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, or on your phone, that usually points to a Chrome issue or a local network issue. If it fails everywhere, then the website is probably having a server problem, and there may be nothing you can do except wait. You should also check whether the website is down for everyone. Open a new tab and search for a site status checker, such as Is it down right now? Enter the website address and see whether it reports an outage. If the status tool says the site is offline globally, then the issue is on the website's server side, not your browser. In that case, the best solution is simply to wait and try again later. If you're on a network that uses a VPN, proxy, or custom security software, try turning that off temporarily and test the website again. Sometimes those tools can interrupt the connection between your browser and the server. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching networks or restarting your router. A weak or unstable connection can make server response errors worse. If none of those steps work, you can also reset Chrome settings without deleting your saved passwords or bookmarks. Click the three dots, go to Settings, then on the left side, choose Reset Settings. Click Restore Settings to their original defaults and confirm the reset. This removes broken browser settings that may be interfering with websites. So to recap, the fastest order is refresh the page, try Incognito, clear cache and cookies, flush DNS, disable extensions, test another browser, and check whether the website is actually down. In most cases, one of those steps will fix the 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome, or at least tell you whether the problem is on your end or the website's end. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Chrome troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want me to show you how to fix other browser errors like 403, 404, or connection reset issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.